back here at our car for the Moto family day, I guess you'd call it. Yeah, it's going to be excellent. I brought my racing suit for the motorcycle, because apparently there's a motorbike here that I can ride, which sounds like a great plan for death. Brought the race car. Race car's going well. There's a couple of other wicked cars and bikes and stuff here. I like Beamers, and like the new Audi race car, very cool. And yeah, just a bunch of excellent cars and bikes. It's gonna be sick. It's gonna be so good. Fuck, it's bright.